he is head sa psychology unit under the mental health section sa Dr. Jose N. Rodriguez Memorial Hospital and Centenarium sa Tala, Caloocan. Ayan. So, palakpakan po natin na sa emoji. Ayan, at mag-heart-heart po tayo sa comment. Si Doc Domingo Rayco Jr. Hi, Doc.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, Doc. We hear you.
Okay. Good evening. It's inspiring to see so many of you tonight and to consider that this is the first time you're having this webinar, no? Okay. I have only one thing to share, no? Faith, hope, and love. These three things, wag nating bibitawan, no? Faith. Madami akong naging clients na depressed. Some of them have lost faith in God. Kasi tinatanong nila, where were you when I needed you? Panginoon, nasaan ka nung kailangan kita? Pero sinasabi ko rin, paano mo nasabi yun na hindi mo naman nakikita ang Panginoon, di ba? But Jesus also uttered the same words, no? Father, why have you abandoned me? That is the human aspect of Jesus, no? So it's tawag nito. Very understandable. Pero ang sinasabi ko, wag bibitaw, no? Wag bibitaw. If you watch the Netflix movie, The Pope's Exorcist, if not you watch it, I recommend it. That is based on true story. So how did evil come in? It was through the psychological wound of the child because the child saw firsthand the brutal death of his father through an accident. After that, he stopped talking, no? Para may tinatawag tayong selective mutism. But you can see there the deep pain, no, of the child. Dito tayo pumapasok, no, mga mental health advocates, na tulungan natin yung mga taong may pain to move through that pain, no? In fact, as Christians, we believe that there is meaning in suffering, in pain. Pain is not evil. Maybe evil in itself, but it can have meaning if we offer it, no? Number two, hope. I always say, life is like, parang buhay ang life, no? Minsan nasa taas, parang gulong, sabi ng mga Pilipino, minsan nasa taas, minsan nasa baba. Pag nasa baba tayo, again, I repeat, wag bibitaw at sabihin, these two will pass. May kasabihan tayong gano'n, no? Malalampasan ko rin ito, no? Malalampasan ko rin ito. Pangatlo, love. These are theological virtues. Theological means they refer to God, no? If you know the poem Desiderata, hanapin nyo, no? Kung hindi nyo pa nabasa yung poem na yun. I think it was written in 1927. Towards the end of that poem, it says, despite the evil, I'm rephrasing it now, no? Despite evil, betrayal, trouble in the world, it is still a beautiful world, no? And do not be cynical about love. Although I also say, do not stop with human love, because at some point in our life, we will feel betrayed, even by our own very family. But if you give up at the human level, at the family level, research has continually revealed to us that for the Filipinos, the primary value is family, not God. God is only number 3, number 4, number 5, but not number 1. What if your family betrays you? Will you give up? This is the third time that I'm going to say, wag bibitaw. No? The love of God we feel through family and friends. But even if we do not feel God's love through family and friends, ibahin natin ang God's love sa human love, no? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Now, pag bumitaw ka dito sa sinasabi ko, faith, hope, love, ano ang kahihinatnan? I have had many clients who attempted suicide because they gave up on faith, hope, and love. No? I distinctly remember one father who slashed his arm during the pandemic because he lost his job. Nawalan siya ng trabaho. Feeling niya, katapusan na ng mundo. O di sinabi sa kanya, kung mamatay ka, di lalong walang makain ng pamilya mo, di ba? But kung nandun ka sa moment of despair, no? Minsan hindi mo na alam ang ginagawa mo, nandidilim na yung pag-iisip mo. So, eto sinasabi ko, no? Make it part of our system daily. In whatever way you can. Sabi nung iba, may prayer time ka, quiet time ka, worship time, church time. Parating isa-isip, faith, hope, and love. Finally, my personal testimony during the COVID-19, I almost died. I did not know. As you know, I work in a hospital. When we got news that the president was going to declare lockdown, isa-isa na kami umuwi. Pagkatapos nun, ayoko nang bumalik kasi I'm immunocompromised, no? I will be compromising my health if I go back to the hospital. Eventually, the hospital became a COVID referral hospital. Pero lahat ng in-applyan ko, walang sagot. At sinabi ng HR, bumalik ka. Until tinigil na nila yung salary ko, I had no choice but to return. No? 3 months after, I got infected. Later, I realized I was in critical condition. But the doctors were not telling me directly. But my sister, who's a doctor, was telling me, kung ganyan ang oxygen level mo, that's a dangerous na, no? 92 na yung ano ko. Anyway, at madami akong complication, no? In those 2 weeks that I was in the hospital, I had no one. Hindi ka pwedeng dalawin ng pamilya mo. At sabi ko, huwag kayong dumalaw kasi kung magkasakit kayo, ako pang sisihin nyo, no? Only the nurses and the doctors, lahat sila naka-PPE, no? Hindi mo makita yung talagang mukha nila. But I really felt, no? In times like this, I went back to what I said. Faith, hope, love. In the end, sabi ko, it's between me and God, no? It's really between you and God. And I prayed to him, Lord, like Moses, no? Not yet, Lord. Madami pa akong gustong i-accomplish, no? But not my will, but your will done. But yours be done. In the end, yun naman talaga di ba? But I survived, no? So ibig sabihin, may mission pa. And this is not the first time I had a life and death experience, no? But this is just the last. So this is all I'd like to tell you, no? So deep in our hearts, make sure God is at the center. Like the sun is the center of the universe. Sometimes we live our lives as though we are just rotating on our own axis, di ba? Parang umiikot lang buhay natin sa sarili natin pero hindi mo alam na ikaw ang umiikot sa sun. Hindi yung sun ang umiikot sa iyo, hindi tayo ang sentro ng universe, no? Finally, this is a simple suggestion, no? As you wake up in the morning, agawin nga natin, no? Yakapin nyo yung sarili nyo. Ganito, I'm showing you how to do it, okay? Yakapin nyo ang sarili nyo. Lahat, no exception. Obey first before you complain. Okay. Pigit ang mga mata. Sabihin na, Lord, mahal mo ako. Okay? In your mind and in your heart, Lord, mahal mo ako. Allow me to love you today. Okay? To the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world